In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Cdkeys promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Cdkeys promo code. Right here, select this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this one with 10% off, all I have to do is select your coupon code right here. And this is the discount code that I can apply on my next purchase in order to get this 10% of discount for the PC and Xbox games. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this website which is called simplycodes.com. And as you can see right here, we also have some deals that we can use and promo codes. For example, if I want to get this 10% off discount, all I have to do is select copy code right here. And this is the discount code that I can use on my next purchase in order to get that discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.